Hello everybody, my name is Jim Mullane. I'm the Executive Director of WayCAM. Today's informative video is going to be talking to you about how to use the microphones in the large hearing room. We've had several complaints from other citizens that occasionally they cannot hear the board members when they're in the large hearing room. Today I'd like to deal with that complaint and teach you how to use them correctly. Number one, you notice how I'm standing up. Sitting up straight. You'll notice the microphone's pointed approximately 6 to 8 inches away from me. This is how you should be actually sitting while a meeting's going on so that everybody in the room can hear you. If you do have a sidebar conversation with another board member and you do not want to broadcast it, you can actually push the mute button right here. So once you let go of this mute button, the audio will be back on. It's very simple. Again, if you want to choose to mute your conversation with a sidebar, you just press the mute button. You don't whisper, you just talk. I'm going to bring it back this way. What we've been having lately, and this is not good, please don't do this, is if you sit back and you start talking like this, or if this is pointed down and you're talking, or if you push this away and you're talking. It needs to be, again, approximately 6 to 8 inches away from you talking, and you should be sitting up straight. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at the studio. Go to waycam.tv and check out our contact information, and I'll be bringing you more informative videos in the future. Thank you.